god, it's so cold. Again, one.
Like Fruit Loops.
Fruit Loops?
Australia, it's like a breakfast one.
Oh my god, it's so cold.
No, you have to get a cold one, man. Doing long.
Just like
Quick. No, don't breathe so hard. A little bit. Through your mouth.
I can't do it. It tastes like lumpia, junk food lumpia in the Philippines. The orange one.
Yeah, it's not that nice.
Yeah. It just seems cool because of the smoke thingy, but it's not that nice.
Slowly. If you breathe too hard, not much has accumulated in your mouth.
Look, some smoke goes from your nose.
Wait. Slowly. Breathe a little bit. You breathe too hard.
What do you call that when your teeth is really cold?
Teeth are cold? I don't think
Yeah,
it's
when you eat something cold and then it's like freezes. Yeah, it's sensitive. There's a mini gasoline station here in Pub Street, guys. Now we're back from the pub street. There's a lot of foreigners there. Every night they will close the street so that you can walk freely. The restaurants there are pricey because it's more like a Western restaurant than a local Cambodian. One thing that I found cool with some restaurant is they have a lounge set up just outside the restaurant where you can just chill. You will dip your feet into the water with full of fish. The name of the fish is Dr. Fish. We did that before in Secure Philippines. It's really ticklish because the Dr. Fish will eat away the dead skin from your feet. And we went to the night market along the river. You can see a lot of food carts there. They sell food and drinks at a lesser price. And if you want to buy exotic food, there's a woman there who only sells exotic food like bugs, centipede, lizards, frogs, scorpions, snakes. And we bought one snake, one centipede, and one scorpion. It's $2 each, but if you buy 3, it's only $5. You want to start?
Yeah.
Why me? I did the exotic video, the first one. So it's your time to shine.
I'll start with the snake. I don't know where the
You
bite.
can really see the spine of the snake.
Yeah, looks cool.
Cool! It's hard.
Smells like fries.
Fries. French fries. I'm curious to try it.
I don't know, it's not.
It's not much of a flavor. Barbecue flavor?
It doesn't taste bad. It's nice, but I don't know what it
This
is.
is our first time trying a snake. Eee, look at the size of the snake.
It's hard. Bite like a big piece.
Yeah.
Not the spine is hard. Told you.
So hard. Oh my god, it's hard. I think it's been cooked a lot of times, or it's been there
I think it's like dry, like jerky, you know, it's
Yeah,
like dried
jerky.
out, yeah.
Oh my god, they just ripped it. This is snake, guys.
Yeah, it's like snake jerky, man. Oh, it's fine. It's not
I like it.
Yeah.
It tastes yum.
It's more bone than meat though.
It just tastes like pork. Sweet pork.
Yeah.
That's been dried.
Beef jerky, man.
Mm.
Kinda want to try a fresh one though. Than just a cooked fresh cooked
I like
snake.
it. I kinda want to pair this with rice.
Of course you do. Pair everything with rice.
We're enjoying our snake. Look at the bone.
Very oily.
Now, the scorpion. This is the poisonous part.
There, the bit that's not there is, yeah.
This one. But the lady took them off, so we're safe, guys. I hope.
Leave it up.
It's just the scale, there's nothing inside. Like a shell or something.
Then what do you eat? The body.
The body, because there's nothing inside the shell. I'm eating the head first.
Yeah.
You're not encouraging much.
Not bad, yeah. So crunchy.
Tastes like mosquito.
What does a mosquito taste like? How does it taste like a mosquito?
I don't know, like grass, kinda a little bit of grass.
Is it crunchy or is it soft inside?
And now the I can't swallow that.
No. It's like lots of little random pieces inside of that just like broke apart. It wasn't moist, it was just like, I don't know. It's like gritty, I can like feel the... not a fan.
Next is the centipede. I chose this. Look at the size of the centipede, guys, versus my tiny hands. I ate the scorpion. I need to eat that.
But I'm not gonna have it on a stick, man.
Just break it here.
It feels like a shell. Where do I start?
I'm gonna start.
That was like the shell.
I saw in mukbang videos they just eat it with the feet.
Not bad.
It tastes better than the scorpion.
Yeah, it's disgusting.
Yeah.
It's just like, I don't know, it's just barbecue, like cooked pork or something.
You can feel the tiny shells breaking inside your mouth though.
Yeah. You're gonna go for second.
I like it.
It's not bad, but one taste is enough.
Oh my god, there's a lot. Oh.
You only live once. It's not moist inside. That's the main thing. If it's crunchy, I don't mind. If it's gonna like start oozing out and juice, then yeah.
It has juice.
Oh no!
I should have shown you this. It has a little bit of juice inside when you press it.
No.
So this is it for this video, guys. I also did an exotic food challenge in Phnom Penh, and I made many travel videos now in Vietnam, Philippines, and of course in Cambodia. I created a playlist of those travel videos, and I'll put the link on the upper right corner of the screen. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe and like for more videos. Bye!